Hi, my name is Jenny Nading, and I'm here to describe to you how to do multiplication and division, algorithms, and manipulatives for the theory class that goes along with the Math 1100 with Kendall Jacobs at Casper College. I'm going to demonstrate this problem in 4 different ways. It's 13 in the base of 5 times 12 to the base of 5. I'm first going to start with manipulatives to demonstrate this problem. I have one long right here with our 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and then I have one long and 2 units, so I'm going to have my one long, my 2 units. I know that a long times a long is a flat, and then a long times a unit is a long, and then here we have 3 more longs, and then a unit times a unit is another unit. So in total we'll have 6 units. Since we are working in the base of 5, then I'm looking for groups of 5. So here I see that I have 5 units that equal 1 long. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 longs that equal a flat. I'm going to cross that out. So I'm left with 2 flats, 1 long, and then 1 unit. So that in turn equals 211 in the base of 5. Okay, next I'm going to show you another way. I'm going to do 13 times 12. So let's look at this. 3 times 1 is 3. There aren't any longs, but there are 3 units. 1 times 1, there's no longs in 1 unit. 1 times 2, 0 longs, 2 units. And 3 times 2, in base 10 is 6, but in base 10 it's actually 11 because there's 1 long which equals 5 and then 1 unit, so that's 6. So we're going to have 1 long and 1 unit. And now I'm going to extend these out a little bit and we're going to add. We have our 1. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. So again we have 1 unit, and I'm going to carry my long over into this column. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So again, we're left with 211 in the base of 5. Okay, now for the Egyptian multiplication. 13 base 5 times 12 base 5. We're doubling 1. Doubled is 2. Doubled is 4. Doubled is 13. Because if we look at this, 4 plus 4 is 8. We have 1 long with 3 left over. So that's how we get our 13. So we come back down here. We have our 12. Doubled is 24. Doubled is 103. I can show you that quickly. So 4 plus 4 is 8, but it actually is 1 long with 3 units left over. So then we have 1 plus 2 equals 5, which equals 1 long. So that's how we get our 103. 103 doubled is 211 with a base of 5. So there would be our answer using Egyptian multiplication. Next we have our traditional. So we go 13 base 5 times 12 base 5. 3 times 2 is 6, so we have 1 long and 1 unit left over. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. We'll have our 0. 1 times 3 is 3, and then 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, we're adding those. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, but it's 1 unit left over with 1 long. Carry that. So that's 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're left with 211 in the base of 5. Okay, now I'm going to show you a division problem. I'm going to do 3 base 5 divided by, or 431 base 5 divided by 3. So we show that with our manipulatives. So we have 4 flats, 3 longs, and 1 unit. I'm going to have to draw my circles over to the side. So I have my 3 circles there. That's how I get my 3 circles, is from over there. I can put 1 flat in each circle. And I can also put a 1 over here. So then I go -3 equals 1, and I'll bring down a 3. This is actually 8 because we have 1 long, which is 5, plus 3 is 8. So we're looking for a number that would be a 13 with the base of 5. So looking at this, I can put a long in each one. But I can also break this up. So then I have 5 longs here. And I can put 1 more in each circle. So now I have 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, but in base 5 it is 11. So I'm left with 2 and a 1. And I'm going to erase this because I'm done with my flats. So now in a base 5 we have 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11, which is in base 10. So what I can do is I can turn these longs into units. So I'll have 11 units total. Okay. And now what I do is I just go through and I put my units in and divide them amongst these circles. So we have 1, 2, 3. Cross those out. 1, 2, 3. Cross those out. 1, 2, 3. Cross those out. I'm left with 2. So let me put in here that I have 3 units in each one. 3 times 3 is 9, but in base 5 it is actually a 14. So I'm going to borrow, so this becomes actually a 6 because 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2 units, and that matches up to that. So we have 123 with a remainder of 2. I thank you for watching, and again, I've really enjoyed learning about the different bases and about using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I hope to maybe introduce this slightly into my classroom. Thank you.